Another malak nyam kanitin content bangi jame bajo goren walle banangi ka dobrini dung Thok Nath kene dung Thok English akena content banangi jentame ka jen wasame milare jen wonene. I was born on May 3, 1984. I was born on May 3, 1984. Nguludamo. Ludnodi dabka ka chanka diok ka die ka paidij ron kit kelur kurbang wan wirjan badak widong wan. Gwadame a paidij ron kit kelur kurbang wan wirjan badak widong wan. Dere lare nono. Milare jen I was born on May 3, 1984. Dabka ka chanka diok ka paidij ron kit kelur kurbang wan wirjan badak widong wan. Dere lare nono. Dodian gwadame milare jen wonene. I was born in a small village near Osana. Gwadame migaraje dong de chuloro de larode near Nuer zone no dong de lar no na mine keb no de kono nyom gor kono gwadame Nuer zone ko kono kula ngaje go ki bu kon to understand. I was born in a small village near Nuer zone. Dabka re which method metiek kana Nuer zone. I was born in a small village near Nuer zone. I grew up in Osana, Piesa, Kaosasa, Ke Osana. Guadmedeger, I was born in Nuer zone. Guardianono. Ke delarno Piesa, Ka Nuer zone. De gornono. I grew up in Nuer zone, Piesa. Kan Nuer zone dere lar nono mite gwad pizin dere lar melodiana me. I went to school in Osana de kon gerde kana gere Nuer zone bane. Okay, Nuer zone ko bokolo chublo ran Nuer de kon gere Nuer zone no anyway dan dere gor keje gwad me Chaudul Gora kan Nuer zone. I went to school in Nuer zone. Chaudul Gora kan Nuer zone. Tukon ke Melodian. My family moved to Addis Ababa 5 years ago. Milari no. My family moved to Addis Ababa 5 years ago. Ishe mare ut ka Addis Ababa karun dang diej techewe. Ishe mare ut ka Addis Ababa karun dang diej techewe. Gwad medir nyolar gwas men wonene. Don't go rije. My father is a farmer, a merchant, a driver, a doctor, a teacher. My father is a farmer. My father is a merchant. My father is a driver. My father is a doctor. My father is a teacher. Did a lardy? Guar a purkani, guar a ger, guar a doctor, guar a nich. Guar a purkani, guar a ger torbiel, guar a doctor. Kagware ngich gilgora did lar nono. My father is a farmer, a merchant, and a driver, a doctor, a teacher. And ono gwar a purkani, gwar a getorbiel, gwar a doctor, kagware ngich. My mother is a nurse. My mother is a journalist. My mother is a tailor. My mother is a secretary. My mother is engineer. De lar de Thok Nath teme mar a ngot dwelwal ki la ne de kontine pankien ke jwat la ka ngod lo le de la na se jelot kamo mar jen Thok mulunodi jen la ngwan la ka loje ki la roin la ka la de la journalist mar a coach muluno mar a tailor la bien la ka koje mar gore roini muluno jen secretary la roin la ka gore pin mar jen engineer mulunode mar kur ala engineer ko korne de kon la dule latke ne kon la chare latke ko shabe gwang ba chol engineer gwad menat Ramadan ngot ram 2 de gj journalist jen Ramadan la to ke la roin la kalade tailor jen coach secretary jen go roini ke engineer kur enono gwad medi la nodi. I have a younger brother. His name is Adere Gorshane Gore Galwak. I have a younger brother and his name is Gadluak. Lunodi ta kadamar Metot Michal Shude Gatluak. Ta Kadamar Metot Michal Shude Galuak. I have a younger brother. His name is Galuak. Ke ta Kadamar Metot Michal Shude Galuak. Deri lari nono. Thok Nath kana Thok English kadua badan and there should loju keje. Ngijar dian guasame de lar nodi. I have a brother. His name is de kon garping gwa the muti kadam mo chana gore gadwich. All right, kon gore gadwich chana gore gwa the me gadwich. Mulu no de guasame mi chilaro nene. I have a brother. His name is Gadwich. Mulu no de ta damar shall shude Gadwich. Ta damar shall shude Gadwich. Well, guadame de lar no. He is 2 years older than me. Lenya karun rau debkada. Ki debkada. Lenya karun rau debkada. My younger sister is de konogor chane gor nyamal. Ano. And de konogor guadame de nyamal. Nyamal. Guadame bana jangai guadame milarodi. My younger sister is Salam. Okay, my younger sister is Nyamal. She is a school girl. My younger sister is Nyamal. She is a school girl. Guad Madeira Larnono. Mulunodi Nyumar and Tot a Nyamal a Nyadwil Gore. She a Nyadwil Gore. Katunal, Denang a Nyadwil Gore. A Nyadwil Gore. My younger sister is Nyamal. She is a school girl. Kide lardi Nyumar and Tot a Nyamal and Nyadwil Gore and Dere Larnono. I am not married. I am not married. Lurnodi can quen ki kana quen de larnono. I am married. I have a family. Chaquen taka gol. Chaquen taka gol. I am married. I have a family. Chaquen taka gol. I have 2 children, a boy and a girl. Taka gat dangro dol kenenyal. Taka gat dangro dol kenenyal. Please follow for more videos. Teacher kedeti ko dera tok dera jangat. Mugur jeno jin be listen titin be ka guri ni chang ka Thok Nath kana Thok English goro no jin be subscribe to be notification bell bujetwan komite kangin miche bere gwata me ba shwamala shubi kiji goro no bajin be lot be jangne de ko kien ko bi kana je ko learning a very important ngai Thok Nath kana ngai to kawai go ke long ko bi tin dial kon le rodin bi mon bi ka chu ngach ka nyok bangi je gwata me ka dob dande kun ga je ka Thok Nath chu je pere je no vision or support bi atakamal.